The alphabet-owned tech giant Google is expected to reveal the Pixel 10 series later this year. Like last year, the lineup should break cover earlier than usual. Further, it could be powered with the Tensor G5 chipset. The regular Pixel 10 may also ship with some camera-related changes. Given that the Pixel 10 series is one of the most highly anticipated launches of the year, numerous rumors and leaks are available on the internet. So without further ado, here's everything we know about the upcoming smartphones. Following the early launch of the Pixel 9 in August 2024, Google is expected to unveil the Pixel 10 lineup even earlier, in August 2025. Invitations should roll out by June, and within days of the event, the phones will hit the shelves. This year, Google is expected to reveal 4 devices: the Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, the Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Design-wise, don't expect a massive overhaul. The Pixel 10 series sticks closely to its signature style: symmetrical bezels, punch-hole front camera, flat edges, and that iconic camera visor. The regular Pixel 10 could get a matte frame, while the Pro models flaunt a glossy finish. When it comes to displays, the Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro are rumored to have a 6.3-inch screen, while the Pro XL stretches to a 6.8-inch AMOLED display boasting 120Hz LTPO refresh rates and peak brightness up to 3000 nits. Meanwhile, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold will stick with its impressive 8.0-inch internal and 6.3-inch external displays. Now let's talk performance. The Pixel 10 series is set to debut Google's brand new Tensor G5 chipset, rumored to be built on TSMC's 3nm process. This promises better power efficiency, more processing power, and smoother AI integration. We might see up to 16 GB of RAM packed in 2, but there's still a little uncertainty about final specs. Of course, software will be cutting-edge too. Android 16 is likely to come pre-installed, bringing new features like live updates, cloud compilation, and smarter refresh rates. On the camera side, expect some subtle changes. The standard Pixel 10 might finally add a third telephoto lens, but at a slight cost. Rumors suggest downgrades to the primary and ultra-wide sensors compared to the Pixel 9. Meanwhile, the Pro models should retain their high-end setups, while the Pro Fold could adopt the GN8 sensor for photography. Battery life and charging improvements are also on the wish list, although no major leaks have confirmed specifics yet. With competitors pushing boundaries, Google might introduce faster wired and wireless charging this year, possibly embracing Ki-2 standards. And what about the price? Expect it to stay close to the Pixel 9's launch pricing, with maybe a small hike thanks to the upgraded chip manufacturing. In short, the Pixel 10 series looks like a smart evolution rather than a radical redesign, refining Google's winning formula with more power, more polish, and hopefully, even more magic. Stay tuned, because the Pixel 10 series could be Google's best offering yet.